Good day everyone! Welcome back to Math A YouTube channel. In this channel, we're going to discuss different topics in mathematics. Our lesson for today is about factoring polynomials by grouping. Factoring by grouping is applicable in a fourth-term expression. So let us factor ax plus bx plus ay plus by. Let us follow the following steps. Step 1. Group the terms with common factors. So we have here two groups. The first group is the quantity ax plus bx plus the second group is the quantity ay plus by. Step 2. Factor out the greatest common monomial factor in each group. In the first group, the greatest common monomial factor is x. Next, we have to divide the terms by our greatest common monomial factor. So the quotient is a plus b. Next, copy the operation which is addition. And then, get the greatest common monomial factor of the second group. And that is y. Then, again, divide the terms by the common monomial factor. So, our quotient is a plus b. Step 3. Factor out the common binomial factor and write the remaining factor as the sum or difference of the binomial factor. So, our common binomial factor is a plus b. As you can see, we have here the common binomial factor. And then, we're going to combine the remaining factors as the sum since our operation is addition. So, we have here the quantity x plus y. So, our final answer is the quantity a plus b times the quantity x plus y. Another example, factor 3xy minus 2y plus 3x minus 2. First, group the terms with common factors. Our first group is the quantity 3xy minus 2y plus second group is the quantity 3x minus 2. Next step, factor out the greatest common monomial factor in each group. So in the first group, our greatest common monomial factor is y. So 3xy, divide it by y, and then 2y divided by y. Our quotient is 3x minus 2. Copy the operation which is addition. And then, in the group 3x minus 2, we don't have a greatest common monomial factor. So, all we have to do is to copy 3x minus 2. Last step, factor out the common binomial factor and write the remaining factor as the sum or difference of the binomial factor. So, our common binomial factor here is the quantity 3x minus 2. And then, combine the terms outside the parentheses. So, we have here the quantity y plus 1. Our final answer is the quantity 3x minus 2 times the quantity y plus 1. Our last example, factor 12mn minus 9n minus 20m plus 15. So, let us follow the steps. First, group the terms with common factors. So, we can have the quantity 12mn minus 9n as the first group minus the quantity 20m minus 15 as our second group. Next, factor out the greatest common monomial factor in each group. In the first group, our greatest common monomial factor is 3n. Next, divide 12mn by 3n, and then 9n divided by 3n. So, our quotient is the quantity 4m minus 3. Next, copy the operation, which is subtraction. And the greatest common monomial factor of 20m minus 15 is 5. So, 20m divided by 5 and then 15 divided by 5 is equal to 4m minus 3. So, as you can see, our last term became negative. So, it is because if we're going to apply the distributive property or the distributive law, this will become positive, since negative times negative would be equal to positive. So, yun pa rin yung ating original sign. Step 3. Factor out the common binomial factor and write the remaining factor as the sum or difference of the binomial factor. So, our common binomial factor is the quantity 4m minus 3. And then, combine natin the terms outside the parentheses. We have here the quantity 3n minus 5. So, the factor of this four-term expression is equal to the quantity 4m minus 3 times the quantity 3n minus 5. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you for watching. I'm Teacher Grace. See you again next time. Please like and subscribe. Bye!